In this video, we will show you how to create a unique vacation keepsake. We will turn a photo into a PaintStitch design, highlight the main shapes with a sketch layer, and share tips for embroidering the design on a t-shirt. From the welcome screen, click the Create New button to start a fresh design. Press the Fabric button on the standard toolbar. Select the right fabric so the software can automatically adjust the embroidery parameters according to your choice. In the dialog box, under the Embroidery category, select Normal Light, then scroll down, find T-shirt Knit 1, and click on it to select it. To have a better preview, click the Color button, use the color wheel to choose a color close to the T-shirt you're using, and press OK. Pro tip: PaintStitch designs often look even better embroidered on a dark background. Next, let's choose the right hoop from the available ones to define the final size of our design. We want the final design to be approximately 200 by 150 millimeters or smaller. From the standard toolbar, press the machine icon and select Chains from the menu. Here you can select your embroidery machine and see the available hoops you can choose. Choose the hoop that is closest to the dimensions we want. Pro tip: when embroidering on stretch fabrics, matching your hoop dimensions as closely as possible to your design's dimensions can help prevent fabric shifting and avoid distortion. The width of the photo I'm using is greater than its height, so I need to rotate the hoop for a better view. Go to the tool options, type the desired rotation value in the rotation field, and press Enter. Keep in mind that the hoop will rotate counterclockwise. Now, to import your bitmap file, click the From File button on the standard toolbar. Locate the file you want in the Browse dialog, click on it, and press Open. In the Load Image dialog box, select Open as PaintStitch as the conversion type. Change the width. The other resolution values will be automatically calculated. Press OK to load the image to your workspace. You can further customize the PaintStitch result using the options available in the Properties toolbar. In this example, the default result is already suitable, so we'll keep it as is. For more information and creative ideas with the patented PaintStitch tool, back to the welcome screen, expand the tutorials list, and type PaintStitch in the search bar. Now we want to highlight the shapes of the image and add an artistic touch by placing a sketch layer on the image on top of the PaintStitch. To do so, keep the PaintStitch object selected and click the Duplicate button on the Tools pane. Click the PaintStitch icon in the Fill section of the Properties toolbar, and from the options that appear, select the Sketch fill type. With the sketch layer selected, go to the Colors bar and click the Fill Bucket icon with a plus sign on the second row to add a new fill color. Move the small circle inside the color wheel to pick a dark navy color. Use Slow Redraw to simulate the stitching and check the design. Now, let's create a printout of the design to help with the embroidery process. Click the Print button on the standard toolbar. The Print Preview dialog opens, and we will actually create two printouts. First, set X to 1 to create a single page containing all the information we need and print it. Now we will create a printout of the design only at scale 100% to help us place the design on the t-shirt. Select Design Only, and from the print options also check Hoop, Grid Line, and Start Point. Confirm that the scale is at 100% and print it. Back in the design window, click the machine icon to send the design to the machine. For this tutorial, I'm using the stitch board device connected to my machine. Let's move on to the embroidery part. For this project, you will need a hoop, a t-shirt, iron-on stabilizer, cutaway stabilizer, the printouts of the design, and assorted threads. An important step is to find the right placement for the embroidery. Fold the t-shirt in half and mark the front center. Mark 7 centimeters down from the collar for the top edge of the design. Place the printout under the 7 centimeters mark and align the x-axis of the design with the front center of the t-shirt. Secure the printout in place using paper tape. Extend the y-axis of the design to mark the side centers on the t-shirt. Prepare the t-shirt for embroidery. Turn it wrong side out and fuse a layer of iron-on stabilizer to the back side. Place an additional layer of stabilizer using adhesive spray. Place the printout over the outer hoop, keeping in mind how the hoop connects to the machine. Align the inner hoop with the design and finish hooping. Now, roll the back of the t-shirt. Use a couple of clips to hold the rest of the t-shirt out of the machine's way. Place the hoop on the machine and make sure no fabric is cut where the machine will move. It is recommended to use a ballpoint needle for stretch fabrics. Start embroidering following your machine's instructions. Change the threads according to the design to complete the paint stitch embroidery. Continue with a sketch layer on top of the paint stitch. When you finish, remove the hoop and trim the excess stabilizer from the back. You now have a unique t-shirt that turns a favorite vacation photo into a permanent keepsake. This technique is a great way to preserve memories from your travels and create personalized gifts for friends and family. Try it with different photos, fabric colors, and thread palettes to discover your own favorite combinations. Leave your feedback in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative embroidery tutorials.